Hi everyone, this is SheShe. I am coming on to share with you some dies and examples of the dies from Aliexpress. The store is called KLJUYP store, and I have all my dies on magnet sheets, so hopefully you can get a good glance at all the pieces. First is the large apron, which is really cute. Has a pocket. Has this part right here to layer over the apron, make it more dimensional. You can use this as a standalone dress, so many ideas there. It does come with a little bow, which I did not use, but it's still really cute with the bow. So I'll show you my examples of all the combinations I made. This is in the large. So you can make some really cute embellishments for your recipe books. If you're gifting recipe books for Christmas. So I hope you like those. So put these to the side. There is a smaller set, and it has the same components, and these are how the small aprons turned out. Great for embellishing your recipe books. Again, I didn't use the bows in there, but they will be really cute with bows. It's a lot of paper piecing and layering. Here's one without the pocket, so didn't get a chance to use the bows. But here are the components of the apron that's really cute. It has like a little layer at the bottom for the white part of the apron. So it's very detailed and great for someone who has a lot of patience and likes to layer all the pieces. So next are these little, it's called the Snowman Family. Comes with a boy and a girl and a mom and dad. So here are the pieces for the Snowman Family. And I'll show you what the boy and girl looks like. They come in many combinations. They have sweaters. They have little branches for their arms. They have little mittens. So this is how it looks for the Snowman Family. It does come with the face, and you can change the color of the nose to orange if you prefer to represent the carrot. But they turned out really cute. They have little earmuffs, scarves, and different styles. So there are the little kids. And so next I'm going to show you the parents. Here's the set for the parents. It has sweaters, hats, all kinds of combinations. The mom has a face that I didn't use. I'll show you what I use for my facial expressions. I believe this shop also has these stamps, but I really preferred the stamps because it's a lot of tiny pieces to layer onto the snowman, and stamping was a lot easier for me. So here are the parents. I put a hat on the papa and earmuffs on the mom, and I put her that hat on there, and that's how they look. And they have mittens on their sweaters, and he has a little scarf. So here are, like, if you want to group them together, he's like got his arm around her, and then here are the kids. Like if you want to do some type of portrait to represent people in your family, you can put like the little names on there or above on their hats or something. That would be really neat. So there's the Snowman Family. Hope you like how they turned out. Next are some paperclip embellishments, which you can use real paper clips if you wish, but I chose to just use the pieces that it came with. So we have the envelope, and here are the pieces for, I believe, what is the cupcake, or I guess ice cream. but it looks more like a cupcake. But here are the pieces for the cupcake to make the paperclip embellishment. And then here are the pieces for the envelope to make the envelope embellishment. And all you do is clip it onto some paper. I made mine a little bit thicker by adding the foil mirror cardstock is what some people call it. And then you can fold that flap down if you wish, or you can put a little message and stamp a sentiment, but that's how they work. Okay, the next paperclip embellishments is the pie, teapot, and well, let me just show you. How it works. It's like a platter with a cover. This one, hopefully it didn't glue all the way. Okay, it popped out. And I can slide that one on. And then here's the pie. Alright, here we go. That's how it looks, and all the layering pieces for your recipe books or recipe card holders if you want to do it like that, as like a holder, you know, to like a placement to represent your different dishes. You can do that with these. Okay, I'm going to move on. My little dice in a pile right here. These are drinks. You can make them in shakers if you wish, but I just chose to make them as an embellishment, and the liquid is like the glitter. I use the umbrella to kind of make it look like fluid in the drink, and then I just put the little umbrella inside, and that's how it turned out. And these are all the pieces to it. What's neat about this one, you can use this one as a slit die if you wish, but it also represents the handle of the umbrella, or the stick of the umbrella for the drink. Okay, so there's that one. And again, you can use this as a shaker, you know, as you can see how it outlined. But I like this the way it turned out. The next one is another drink. And here are the pieces. It has like lemons and different fruit. You can make this one into a shaker. This one's already outlined for you. The other one you would have to outline yourself to get it to make it into a shaker, but it comes with a straw. This could be the lemon, orange, or I put this part right here behind the lemon to represent the seeds. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Is it watermelon slices or something? I don't know. But anyway, this is how mine turned out. And it's pretty large. I don't know how I would put this on a card, but I'm sure it'd be cool in like your recipe books. If you have drinks with the gals, you can show your drink and have your photo, you know, right there was a night out with the gals. Okay, next are these presents. I did not use the big bow, but you can use the bows however you wish. I thought the small bow would look really nice on the bigger gift, and there wasn't something smaller for this one, so I just used the same bow. So that's how it turned out. These can represent shakers as well. For me, making a lot of shakers is a lot of work, so I try to limit the ones I can, but they have beautiful examples of what it looks like as a shaker, so I hope you don't mind that I chose to use it like this. And it's also it makes the cards flatter. When you pop things up, it's hard to mail and you have to make more pay more postage. So that was my reasoning behind not making it into a shaker and layering it so thick. Okay, so the last set of dies that I want to share is this Snowman Border. You will have to, if you want to include the little scarves, cut this out 5 times because there's 10 snowmen and it's 5.5 inches long. And this is how it looks with all the snowman put together with all their scarves. And then these are the little scarves right there. So that's how that looks. Okay. And then last, but certainly not least, is a fence. And these are 5 inches long. So you have the option, like if you have any house dies, you could stand these up and they can border around the house, because I'm sure there's a house for sale in one of those shops. But it could represent an open gate, or you can do an open gate card. But these would be great for your dimensional houses that are like 3D. So there's the one that opens, or it could be a corner because there's like some little stitch lines right here. And then there's one that's just a long fence or gate or whatever you want to call it. So that is my share for today. I hope you were inspired by what I made and you like how all the examples look, so you have an idea of what everything looks like pieced together instead of just looking at the dies. I will be back with more dies to share. I have a lot of dies. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.